Not into long pet lectures? But you still want your cat to understand you? Try these quick, cheeky hacks instead. Step 1. One word, one meaning. Say dinner the same way every time, then feed within 3 seconds. Pair words with cues, point to bowl, ring a bell, then reward. Name first, cue second, Milo, off, short, calm and consistent. Cats follow tone more than volume, so keep it breezy, not shouty. Mark success with a clicker, or a crisp yes, then treat. Build routines, morning mini sessions, evening mini sessions. 3-5 reps, slow blink =sign friendly, tail up =sign hello, swishy tail =sign I'm over it. Match their signals, keep it positive, and you'll have a bilingual house in no time. Like, comment, share, follow us for more videos.